back here through Carpenter, and Dunbar are going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
So it'll be the number 4 of Jeff Stombog out of Statsfordville, Kentucky. Creed Mullins and William Brock will be a scratch. 12 laps the distance here at Mountain Motor Speedway for the Hobby Stocks. Green flag is out as Connor Stewart gets a good jump on the field. As Connor Stewart licks out to a big lead, and he will take him down to the backstretch. Denny Fields for the second spot. It'll go to Sean Stamper, your top 3. As Stewart continues to lead the field, the battle will be for the second position as Danny Fields is on the inside. Sean Stamper up on the outside here. Dust flying all over the speedway. Oh, we got one in the wall. And he keeps it going for Jeff Stombog. As Layton McQueen's going to spin out in turns 1 and 2. Alrighty, Connor Stewart's going to lead him to the green as we are 1 yellow, 2 out of 12. 10 more laps yet to go. As Connor Stewart's going to lead the Hobby Stocks into green flag. We're back underway. Look out for the number 23 right across the nose of the 1X of Harley Halcomb. Oh boy, they're all the way up on the outside. They're going to go down the backstretch. A great battle for the third spot. Sean Stamper to the inside. You'll have the 1X of Harley Halcomb up on the outside. Overshoots a corner. Look out, Layton McQueen, as he's going to be hard on the binder to the 95. That's Tristan Pauly. A lot of these Hobby Stocks about to lose it out the corner exit of 2 and 4. Connor Stewart continues to pull away. Good battle for the second spot. Oh, they make some contact. Sean Stamper, and he's going to go around in 1 and 2 as Danny Fields goes around. As Connor Stewart's going to be leading them back to the green. Double file restart here at the Mountain Motor Speedway. Alrighty, 8 more to go. And Connor Stewart still going to be their leader. Danny Fields, Sean Stamper, Harley Halcomb, and Tristan Ka-chow Pauly. Here we go. We're ready to go. We're back underway. Oh boy, a little bit of a shaky start in turns 1 and 2, but they make it going into turns 1 and 2. Oh no, Ka-chow's going to go around for the second time. As the 95 of Tristan Pauly around for the second time, I believe. And oh, we got the 1X around after contact there in turn 1 and 2. Big fire underneath the hood. There was a big fire under the hood. Harley made a hard right. As looks like the fire went out. And it looks like he's just going to go ahead and fire it back off. But there's something leaking on the back there. It looked like a little bit of smoke. As 95 is going to make the hard left back to the pit area after the second charge. And it looks like Harley is going to be able to continue into the 1X. As we're trying to start 3 wide. Okay, we're green flag. Connor Stewart's going to lean him to the green. Danny Fields, you'll have the 32S of Stamper, and it'll go to Harley Halcomb, your field here for the street stock, or Hobby Stocks. 5 out of 12, they say, here at the Mountain Motor Speedway, as Connor Stewart making his way down the backstretch. Danny Fields really crossed up down to the backstretch as he all but cuts the nose of the number 32 off in 3 and 4. Great job using the brake pedal for Sean Stamper. As the 32 at Danny Fields, here comes a big run for Sean Stamper on the inside. Fields trying to work to the bottom side of the speedway. As the 32 of Stamper tries to look back to the inside of Danny Fields, as Fields is going to get really sideways. Stamper really hard on the brake pedal, trying to avoid him. Down to the backstretch, makes his move. Big slider for the 32 of Stamper, holding on the inside as the 23 of Danny Fields will fall back to the third spot. 8 out of 12, as it's all Connor Stewart with a big lead, 3.8 over Sean Stamper in 32. 2 to go should be shown for Connor Stewart down on the backstretch as Sean Stamper is in the 32S. Danny Fields, and it'll be the 1X of Harley Halcomb. A white flag should be in the air for Mr. Connor Stewart as he works his way up to the back self in turn 3 and 4 for the white flag. As Connor Stewart's got a big lead of 4.1 over Sean Stamper, Danny Fields, and Harley Halcomb, your field. Boy, I'll tell you what, make it easy work here tonight for the hobby stocks. As Connor Stewart, he gets a little tight, a little bit of mistake, too little, too late for the rest of the field.